तो कितना देर तक चलेगा वो नाटक? एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो ही जाएगा. So it is better to stay in your swabhava, even though you are not able to execute it perfectly. This is the beauty of this karma adhyaya. So just stay in your limits or in your nature. That is what is. Now, after listening to all this, Arjuna gets one question. What question he is asking? Arjuna Uvacha. Atha kena prayuktoyam. This is the most important and the core important question which is bothering everyone. Why people commit mistake? गलती पे गलती क्यों करता है आदमी? इसका उत्तर जानते हैं आप? Why people commit mistake? Why there is crime happening everywhere? कोई किसी ने मार दिया, किसी ने लूट लिया, किसी को रेप किया, ये सब क्यों होता है? ये सब why it is happening in a very big massive manner everywhere? किसी का जमीन जायदाद हड़प लिया, किसी को मर्डर किया, ये सब होता है क्राइम. क्यों? why people commit? This is the question asking by Arjuna. Atha kena prayuktoyam papam charati purushaha. Why people commit crime? Why people commit mistake? Anichhannapi varsneya baladivaniojitaha. See, it is not that everybody wants to commit crime. People who are not willing to do that also are forced to do that. Why? I don't want to commit crime. हो जाता है कभी कभी, वो हो जाता है, करना नहीं चाहता है. I don't want to commit crime, फिर भी मेरे हाथ से हो गया ये. क्यों? ऐसे क्यों होता है? मेरी इच्छा तो नहीं है करने का, ये गलत काम करने का मेरा इच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी जबरदस्ती मेरे हाथ से हो जाता है ना? कभी कभी बाद में हम पछताते, लेटर वी रिपेंट. अरे मैंने ये क्या कर दिया, कैसे किया ये सब, मेरा स्वभाव तो ऐसा नहीं है करना, मगर क्यों हो गया ऐसा? ये प्रश्न है. ये देखिए, दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल क्वेश्चन विच इज बॉदरिंग एवरीवन. क्यों गलती आदमी करता है? क्यों गलती पे गलती करता ही रहता है? Why people commit crime? Even though they are not willing to do that, they are forced to do that. Why, Krishna? You know the answer given? It is the great answer given by Krishna. It is the topmost answer given by Krishna. Why people commit crime? कामयेश क्रोधयेश रजोगुण समुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्येन मिह वैरिणम्. He finally hits the nail. Why? Kama and Krodha, these are the two things. Kama and Krodha, these are the only two things. Desire and anger. है ना? गलती कब करता है आदमी? जब उनका कामा क्रोध, ये दोनों, that is going to go beyond his limit. That means desires, uncontrolled desires and uncontrolled anger. That is the one which is going to make a person to commit crime. So better to be under control of desires, reduce it. Anger, reduce it. Always it is good to have control of anger and desires. And this is the biggest sin, that which makes a person to commit biggest crime. I am listening some murmuring in between continuously. Why? If you want to speak, come here, I will also listen. कोई बातें कर ही रहे हैं. Better go out. You have other business to do. Don't talk in between. मैं तब से बोलना चाहता था, बीच में बोल ही रहे मेरे साथी। ऐसे क्या कहानी बता रहे हैं किसी को? I think the second bench. Why you are talking so much? What is the necessity to talk? When I'm telling you something which is the most important aspect of the Bhagavad Gita, you people are busy in talking. Shame on you people. Mahashano Mahapapma. It is the biggest crime a person is going to commit when he goes out of control of raga and dvesha. Raga, kama and krodha. Dvesha is the hatredness which is the result of anger. Anger is going to result in dvesha, hatredness. Kama is going to make you more attachment. So, vidyena mihavairinam, the biggest enemy of an individual is desire and anger. Okay, this is the answer given. And Krishna gives, substantiates, justifies all this. Dhumena avriyate vannihi, jaise how the fire is completely covered by smoke. Smoke is going to cover the fire. Dhumena avriyate vahnihi. Vahni means fire. Fire is covered by smoke. Yatha adarsho malena cha. If the mirror is completely filled with dust, can you see your image? No, no. The mirror is completely. आप जितना भी मुंह धो लो, नहीं दिखेगा आपका चेहरा. क्यों? क्योंकि आईने पे है धूल. उसको साफ करो पहले. बिना आईने साफ किए आपका मुंह साफ किया फेस वॉश से, इतना साफ किया कि दिखता ही नहीं है ठीक से. आपका मुंह पे नहीं है गंदगी, उधर आईने पे है. यथा अदर्शो मलेन च. Like how the smoke is going to cover the fire, like how the dirt or dust is going to fill or make the image blur. In the same way, yatha ulbena avruto garbhaha. What a beautiful example this is. The bruna, the fetus, the embryo is covered by a layer of amniotic membrane. Anatomy here comes. How amniotic membrane along with the amniotic fluid which is going to cover the baby, avarana, yatha ulbena avruto garbhaha. Amniotic membrane and amniotic fluid is going to cover the baby fetus inside the uterus. In the same way, tatha tenedam avrutam. That is why agnana. That is why kama and krodha is going to cover you completely. Kama and krodha is given beautiful examples here, like how mirror is completely covered by dirt, like how smoke is going to cover the fire, is it not? And the amniotic membrane and amniotic fluid, how it is going to cover the fetus, embryo. In the same way, Agnana, that kama krodha is going to make the individual sadhaka completely agnani. Isiliye, better you be escaped from this kama and krodha. Be aware of these things. This is what. Avrutam gnanamete na gnanino nitya vairina. Oh, your knowledge or the Chit is covered by agnana. Gnana is covered by agnana. Dirt is covering the mirror. Smoke is covering the fire. And the amniotic membrane is covering the fetus. उसको चीर के बाहर आएगा बच्चा 9 महीने के बाद. After the 9 months. वो अज्ञान अंधकार जो है ना, कैसा बेटा रहता है बच्चा, ऐसे हाथ जोड़ के अंधकार में. That is one गर्भावासा is one very big, it is a problem actually. 9 महीना एक जगह बैठे बैठे रहो, देखते हैं 9 महीना एक ही जगह बिना हिले. It is one of the greatest trouble actually to stay in गर्भावासा. मगर हमें पता ही नहीं है. We never feel that 9 months staying in the गर्भावासा and that Agnana Avarana, you are going to break it, tear it, and you are going to be pushed out of the body. कैसे? One pregnant woman, what she is going to experience, that labor pain, do you know? आजकल के लड़की लोग, आजकल के मदर, प्रेग्नेंट मदर, they don't want to experience this pain. So therefore, they will only voluntarily go to the doctor and say, please do me cesarean only. है ना? ये माँ का अनुभव, that motherhood you cannot experience only. Because nobody wants to experience the labor pain only. Immediately they will give injection and they will open the abdomen and take the baby out. So what is that motherhood is there? You will never feel it. You have to experience the labor pain, then only that motherhood. There will be more attachment. Cesarean में तो आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा क्या हुआ है शरीर में. See, cesarean is not a choice. It is indication. अगर बच्चे को कुछ गड़बड़ है या माँ को कुछ गड़बड़ होता है, then only that indication of cesarean to save the baby and the mother. Cesarean is not a choice. आजकल तो cesarean पहले ही फिक्स कर देते हैं. आपका जन्म already decided in calendar, मुहूर्ता, नक्षत्र, everything. Who are you to decide all those things? No, it has to be done as per the symptoms. So that is why yatha ulbena avruto garbha. What a beautiful example of these three examples of mirror. And even the fire is completely covered by smoke. In the same way, the baby is also covered by agnana avarana. And the sadhaka is also covered by this kama and krodha. Kama and krodha, in the fit of anger, in the fit of lust, how people commit mistakes. Hai na? They are getting yielded into that. Everyone, including male and female, it doesn't have any partiality there. Both male and female, they are all coming under this lust and as well as with the anger. In a fit of rage, anything can happen. Later on, you will repent. There is no. अगर गुस्से से अगर नाक काट लेते हैं तो नाक बाद में आएगा क्या? नहीं आएगा. सर्दी हो गया है तो दवाई लो ना, नाक को क्यों काट रहे हो? यही काम करते हैं हम. जब सर्दी हो जाता है तो ये सब नाक के वजह से हो रहा है. नाक है तो सर्दी आएगा, जब नाक ही नहीं है तो ये बेवकूफी है. That means one should find the remedy for this kama and krodha. Many people commit crimes. Many people commit suicide also. Yes. एक बार सुइसाइड हो गया ना, गया, वो प्रेती बनेगा. धोबी का कुत्ता ना घर का ना घाट का बनेगा, न इधर न उधर, त्रिशंकु अवस्था. That is why this is the beautiful example Krishna is giving. How kama and krodha. The wonderful question. Everybody on this earth is bothered about that question. Why people do mistake? That is the answer. Never forget the question and as well as the best answer given by Krishna. Indriyani manobuddhihi asyadishtanam uchyate. Your indriyas, manas and buddhi, they are the one adhisthana for this kama and krodha. Etaihi vimohayati esha nanamavritya dehinam. That is what kama and krodha is going to drive you away. That's why I told you the Quran statement. Drive them away from where you have been driven out. उसको भगाओ पहले, जो आप ही को भगा देते इस शरीर से. That means all your Arishad Vargas, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, that is so strong that you will be chased away. आप खुद बाहर चले जाएंगे, आप उसको बाहर भेजना है. You have to send them out. What a beautiful statement. That is why etair vimoha yatyesha gnanamavritya dehinam. Tasmat, therefore, Krishna says this advice. Therefore, what you have to do? Tvam indriyani ado. Don't come under your indriyas. Don't get yielded. The best treatment is to control your aggression. Indriyanyado niyamya. Indriyani ado. Indriya, manas and buddhi should be always under your control. Niyamya Bharatarshaba. Then only you can elevate from committing this crime. Papmanam prajahihenam gnanam avritya gnana vignana nasham. That which destroys your reality is kama and krodha. So better you follow that. Indriyani paranyahuhu indriyebhyah param manaha manasastu parabuddhihi yo buddhe faratastu saha. Indriyani parani ahuhu. So here indriyas are lower, higher is mind. Higher than mind is manas. Wait. Arthebhyascha indriyani paranyahuhu indriyebhyah param manaha. Higher than indriyas are mind. Manasastu parabuddhi. Higher than mind is buddhi. Indriyas, manas and buddhi. This is how the gradation. यो बुद्धे है परतस्तु सहा. बुद्धि को छोड़ के ऊपर कौन है? वही है परमात्मा. The one who is beyond this buddhi. आपके बुद्धि के पकड़ में नहीं आने वाला है भगवान. That is why यो बुद्धे है परतस्तु सहा. So therefore what you have to do? एवं बुद्धे परम बुद्ध्वा संस्तभ्या आत्मानम आत्मना जघि शत्रुम महाबाहो कामरूपम दुरासदम. Therefore use your this highest intelligence and curb down, control down the indriyas, which is going to be the highest enemy for your sadhana. This is the ultimate statement given by Krishna. So here the third chapter is going to end. The fourth chapter we will start tomorrow. Hope you have understood the gist of this. Okay? Om Shanti Shanti.